Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. In today's video we're going to be talking all about the magical and medicinal uses of Camphor, which is also known as Kapur in Hindi, and if you are interested then keep on watching. So as you know, if you've been on my channel for a long time or if you're new, I want to tell you guys that I believe herbs and oils have an enormous impact and power on our everyday lives, and they have so many different uses of itself, both medicinally and spiritually, magically, in so many different ways, and I am completely fascinated by this, and that's why I started an entire series on my channel all about oils and herbs. So if you guys are interested, I do have a whole playlist and you guys can check that out. Now, one thing you have to remember when you are using Camphor or Kapur is to not burn it around your pets and keep it away from your pets because it is harmful and toxic to animals. Camphor has a very white, waxy texture and look to it. It comes in blocks, it comes in oils, it comes in powders. I just recently bought the whole entire pack of the Camphor incense. There's 6 tubes in here and each tube has 20 sticks each, and this was about $5. I bought this from my local Indian store, but you can also get this on Amazon and I'll link it down below. So I also like to use the cubes, and I buy like a bulk of them, and this is the brand that I bought. I usually get them from my local Indian store, or you can get them on Amazon. But as you guys can see, I go through a lot of Camphor. I think there's like 24 cubes that come in this box, so you get packs of 4 that are sealed, and they smell really, really good. They last a long time, and you only need to use a little bit at a time. So only 50-year-old trees can produce Camphor. The Camphor tree is an evergreen tree. You're probably familiar with Camphor if you have ever used Vicks Vapor Rub. It's one of the ingredients in there, and it has a very menthol-like smell. Very minty, very strong nasal opening scent to it. Camphor oil can be used in your bath to relax your body and your mind. If you don't have the oil, what you can do is crush the cube a little bit and just sprinkle it inside of your bath water. It's so soothing to your body. It's so calming for the mind. One of the most popular uses for Camphor is as a decongestion, and that's why it's such a huge ingredient in Vicks Vapor Rub. It opens up nasal passages. You can even use it and rub it on your chest to open up your lungs too. You can use the blocks and like crush it and add it with a little bit of oil and rub it in. You can use the oil. You can even diffuse the incense and breathe it in to clear up your nasal passages. When I was little and I would get sick, my grandma used to always tie a little fabric and put Kapur or Camphor in there and pin it right up to like my chest area so that I'm constantly breathing it, and that helped me get over my flu or sickness so fast. And the scent is so strong and soothing to me. Every time I smell it, it's a very healing scent for me. It helps with colds and coughs when rubbed on the chest or when you smell it. This also helps to relieve symptoms of asthma. One good way to use it is to break a little piece of the cube, sprinkle it in water, boil the water, and then let the water cool down just a bit. And then you put a towel over yourself and just inhale that water. What this does is it helps clear your nasal passages. It helps treat your asthma symptoms, helps you breathe better. Camphor also helps to soothe itchy skin and rashes. It's a really good herb or ingredient to use for eczema and like itchy skin. What I love to do is to break a little bit of the cube and mix it in with some warm coconut oil. Not too warm because you don't want to burn yourself. And then just apply it wherever you need to, wherever it's itchy or irritated, wherever your eczema is flaring up. And it's an antibacterial, and it also helps to soothe the itching. It has a very, very soothing and cooling sensation when it's applied onto the skin. Camphor can also be used to ease muscle cramps and joint pain. It causes somewhat of a numbing sensation on the skin, and again, you would use the oil, or you can make your own oil, just crush a little bit into some warm coconut oil and use that right away onto your skin or your muscles or wherever you're having pain. Camphor is also known to repel insects like mosquitoes, cockroaches, ants, bed bugs. Just burn a little tiny bit of it where these bugs are, or keep a little piece of it where the bugs are. Just remember that if you have pets in the house, you don't want to keep it laying around, and it is a very strong scent, so keep that in mind, that the scent is strong, so if you don't like it, it might bother you. But for me, I love the scent, and I'm sure a lot of people love the scent just because it is a very Vicks Vapor Rub type of a scent. So here comes to my favorite part of the video, which is the spiritual uses of Camphor. So Camphor is a powerful herb for purification and protection. It's widely used in Hindu ceremonies and prayers. It's known to dispel and get rid of negative energy. Any and all negative energy, Camphor is a very, very powerful herb to push it it out and away from your life. You can burn it in your home, your office, or whatever room that you're in the most to push the negative energy out. All the unwanted energy that is laying in that room, all the stagnant energy that is blocking you from accomplishing what you need to accomplish, it pushes all that energy out. What you can also do is take the block and kind of just like pass it all over your body from head to toe and then burn that block. What it does is it kind of sucks any negativity around your aura and around your energy, and it will burn it away with the camphor. The reason that camphor is such a good herb to burn regarding getting rid of negative energy is because it burns out completely without leaving any residue of itself. So it burns like there's no ash or anything. It just burns completely and it's gone. So it dissipates, and it just, anything that it sucks out of your environment or you, it's gone. So if you're working really hard, or if you feel like you're stuck and you're not moving forward, or there's obstacles in your path to get you to reach your goal, burn camphor. It clears the path, it opens your roads. It's also known to drive away evil spirits from your home. So if you feel like you're having a lot of nightmares, or if you feel like you sense an energy that you don't want, burn camphor and it should help to get rid of it. And because it opens your roads, it helps to bring in prosperity and abundance and wealth to you. It also is great for blocking evil eye that people send to you, or negative energy that people are sending your way. Camphor is really good to block that and just to keep that from affecting you. Burning camphor makes it unlivable for spirits with low vibrations or bad spirits. It makes that environment just unlivable for them. It just drives them away, like they have no choice but to leave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, and check out my other videos on my channel. I have a huge list of herbs and oils you can use both medicinally, magically, on your body, your face, hair, skin, nails, everything. And if you guys have any requests, leave it down below, because I'm having a lot of fun with this series and I want to continue it on my channel. So make sure that you're subscribed, and that way you're always notified. Browse through my channel, whatever pops out at you, whatever you find interesting, watch those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.